right, how you doing, Jesse? What's going on? I heard you got another problem with your Model 3.
Yeah. So I mean, before we fixed my frunk, but I'm running into the same problem with the trunk. You know,
okay,
it's like I can open it with my app, I can open it with the the screen, but the problem is it just releases the latch, and somebody's got to come over and lift it up.
That's tough work, man.
Yeah. Well,
But you should have it all.
Absolutely. So what do you got for me this time?
All right, I got you right here.
All right.
Boom.
Whoa.
Struts.
And where are they from?
Evannex.
All right, cool. So what's the installation process like?
Okay, I think it's similar. We're gonna just, it's like a ball joint, right?
Yep.
And you just pop back the spring on the ball joint, which then releases top, bottom.
Okay.
And then we're gonna put these in. And that's basically it.
Okay.
And notice with these, there's this cool spring. I think that's to get it started.
Okay.
All
right, well, we'll try it out.
Okay, let's see if it works.
Okay, so we need a screwdriver?
Yeah, I got a little tiny screwdriver right here. You want to try and use that?
So just tuck that in away. Okay,
yeah,
perfect.
I always have them ready to go.
Okay, so I'm popping this back just a little bit and pulling against it.
I'm kind of just moving it around just so I make sure it's loose. I think you got it. There you go.
There we go.
Oh, that came off so easily.
Yeah, so just pull it off more.
Gently.
Than what
If you're struggling, it's gonna pop on you.
Okay, so now I'm gonna do the opposite steps here.
Okay.
Except without anything, just pushing it right on. And don't apply pressure to the spring because that's gonna pop.
There you go, it's on.
Cool, so that side's
hold on,
done.
watch your
Come
head.
down
I'm
a little
gonna
more.
Come down slowly for you. There it is. Damn, that's it.
All right, so leave it up.
Okay, look.
And so this did lower the height that this will maximally open. So if you don't like that, it was probably less than an inch.
Yeah.
Around there.
Who knows? Okay.
So we're gonna do the same thing. We're gonna pop it off.
Let's see so far. Oh yeah.
Harder
Look at that.
to close, huh?
Watch this. It's already working.
All right, so let's do the other side.
Okay.
So before I attach the other side of this, because it's shorter, this side is going to remain compressed until I'm able to get it off. So now I take this side off and I get this one off before I attach this first one.
Make sure someone's holding it, because now nothing is holding
Right.
it up. Someone's got to hold it.
Cool.
Someone you trust. You trust me?
Apparently.
You trust me.
All right, so now come in with your second one here. And again, you wanna pop it
Click on.
And come down.
I'm coming down slowly.
Okay.
And
Right about there.
okay.
Good. Now the last one over here.
Last piece to the puzzle. There it is.
All right.
I'm letting go.
Cool. So now I have
It looks cool too.
New trunk lifts on my Model 3. So now closing it, slightly harder to close, and you really want to slam it down. But now,
whoa! That's way better than the frunk.
Yeah, so I mean that's even faster. All right, so now if I want to open up the trunk, opens right up. So anyway, those are the trunk lifts for the Model 3. If you want to check those out, you can head over to evannex.com and you can use our referral code. That'll save you even more. Referral code is right here. Thanks so much for watching. Now you know.